This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Sahel Naimi. Open house at 8:20, 2 to 5 p.m. Lovingly well-maintained and updated ranch-style home in desirable West Knox is unique in many ways compared to some of the 1970s ranchers in the surrounding area. Open floor plan, huge living room, cozy family, sunroom with tons of natural light makes this home a delight. Windows and doors upgraded to Pella energy efficient, newer HVAC, newer gas tankless on-demand hot water heater, and more. Stainless steel appliances, original hardwood, tile and LVP flooring, extensive front and back deck is fantastic for entertaining. Large detached 2-car garage, 24.2 by 24.2, is wired with 220 volts. Below grade/basement is 1,298 square feet, unfinished, with 6.5 feet ceiling height. Not included in the square feet, can be a man cave, rec room, storage or more. This is move-in ready. For more information, review the details below or contact Sahel Naimi at 865-966-1111.